Today I thought I'd make a short video about how you can add or insert lines into an Excel spreadsheet. So let's say you wanted to add, let's say like a lot of lines. What's the easiest way to do that? To do that is you need to select the number of lines you want to add. So here I'm selecting one, two. I'm going to use the left shift key to select through this. I could just skip to how many lines I want to insert. And so from there, now I can just right mouse click and choose. You see, I can insert 18 rows above or insert 18 rows below. So I'm going to do it above. And it just gives me a heads up. And here, it's added 18 rows above. So I thought that was useful. I know how to use Excel. I'm considering myself an average user, but I didn't know what was the easiest way to add rows. So if you need to add a lot of rows, and I'm pretty sure this works for columns too. So if I first click on one column and then I press and hold the shift key and click on how many columns I want, to the very end, I can now right mouse click and insert columns this way. So hopefully that made sense. Again, select the columns, press the shift, select one of the columns, press the shift key, and then choose how many columns you want to add, and then right mouse click and choose the insert number of rows above or below where you want to insert them. That's it.